Hi, I'm Devin and I'm sexy as is. What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another Miss Dev B video. I have a super exciting video today. I wasn't gonna do this. I had another one planned and scheduled, but you know, two of my favorite YouTubers dropped a new clothing brand and I just had to check it out. So if you like fashion and styling tips in general, hauls, fashion lookbooks, thrift with me, then definitely subscribe down below. And let's get into the video. Okay, so Alisha Marie and Ashley Nichole, sisters of the YouTube, they dropped a new clothing brand and it's just like a super body positive, super inclusive, super versatile, flexible line that would intrigue me if they made it or not, to be honest, because you know it's hashtag sexy as is. That's like their slogan, and like it's just like, yes, I'm good as I am right now in this outfit that I have on right now. Also, I have the washer and dryer on. I put it on right before I film, thinking that I could kill two birds with one stone, but I'm just like hurting myself. So sorry about that. Anyway, let's get into the packaging. This is a 100% recyclable mailer. We love queens that care about the environment. Like, I knew this was gonna sell out, which it did. I went back a couple days later and it did. I was on there at 3 p.m. June 10th. I'm on the East Coast, so I was on there. I set an alarm and I got it together. So I'll show you the pieces I got. First, I got the Hero cropped sweatshirt in white. I got the square neck top, which definitely is probably going to be my favorite. I got the essential rib bodysuit in black. And then lastly, I got the sporty bralette in white. First impressions, everything feels really high quality. Like, I know I peeped. Alisha posted a vlog addressing the comments about people saying that the price was unaffordable. I did have that initial response, I'm not gonna lie. It was way more pricey than I thought. But when you think about pieces that feel and look like this, like in person, they are this price, if not more. Actually, more likely more. Like, that's how good quality some of these pieces are. Like, this is the, like, if Skims and Lululemon had like a baby, that's what this feels like. It's like that level of luxury, and but also super stretchy. And I don't know if I showed you guys, the logo are the two parallel lines, because not only are they sisters and they used to have completely opposite styles, but now their styles are parallel. I think that's right. I watched all the vlogs and the videos so I could understand. And like this ribbed, like this is such good quality. This is a fancy bodysuit. It's ribbed in vertical lines, like, ooh, and it's cheeky. Logan clearly enjoys it as well. I don't know, like you can see like a little bit of athleisure, but also luxury. Like, it gives me Nike vibes a little bit as well. That's how they feel. And you know I'm gonna try them on. One of their selling points was that these pieces, they can be dressed up or dressed down. You can wear them anywhere, so I'm gonna put them to the test right now. Let's try them on. All right, so this is the bralette. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very happy I worked out before I put this on. And I heard a little pop pop when I put it over my head, so I think it's really cute. I really like it. I definitely feel like I mean, just for my purpose, I wouldn't want to wear high-waisted shorts. I could see myself like dressing this up, throwing an oversized hoodie on it in the summertime, which is perfect. Or even in the fall, like if I don't feel like wearing a bra under a sweater or something, it's also like comfortable. It does have the support under here. But right now, this is like how I would wear it, like as of working from home right now, just lounging around. I think it's super cool. Or if I want to dress it up, you can wear it with jeans, which I think is really cute. And you look like a star. Like, this would be really cute with like a butterfly clip and then like straight leg jeans. I have skinny ones on that are cropped because I don't have black straight leg jeans, but I think that that would look the best. And I'm also sucking in for dear life because these are not high-waisted, and I thought I grabbed high-waisted. We're a body positive channel over here. And yeah, I really like it. Okay, so now I have on the bodysuit and it feels so good on. It literally feels like pajamas. Like, it's so comfortable. This is like how I would wear it around the house. It was my shorts from Misguided that I got in my last haul last week. Check out that video if you haven't seen it already. But like it's super cute. This is the one that like the girls do like the walk-in, the promo. You know what I'm saying? Like they just, and then just, you know what I'm saying? And obviously really cute to wear dressed down. It's very chill. Or if I'm going out or something, you know, dress it up with some jeans. This will be so cute. These are my new Good American Good 90s jeans, the straight leg ones. They're so comfortable, and I think they go perfectly with the bodysuit. It looks so chic, and I feel so like I could do anything. Like, let's brunch, shall we? I haven't been to brunch in a long time. I feel like that's something. Why did I say brunch so aggressively? This will be really cute also in the fall with like, bruh, I have it. Create a moment, okay? A hat and booties. You see it? I know you see it. I see it. Y'all, I dread doing these try-on hauls so much just because I have to change clothes so many times. But once I'm doing them and I start feeling myself in the clothing, it's so fun. It's therapeutic. Next, let's go. One thing I really like about these pieces is that they're so versatile, like season-wise. Like, as I'm pairing these outfits, yes, I'm pairing them with stuff I would wear like right now in the summer or springish time. But this can really go, these and all the other pieces can go into other seasons too. But yes, this is how I would wear this with some biker shorts. I think that this is so cute. I love like the sleeves, like it has the thick band on the ends, and like where it comes on my hands is like my, because I always am going like this and I stretch out my crew necks and hoodies that don't have sleeves that come like right here. I don't know why I didn't do that, but so cool. But it's also cropped enough where it's like cute and it's different. It's not a stereotypical crew neck. And I'm glad that I got it in white because I was gonna get it in black, but I have 100 black hoodies and crew necks. So yeah. But to dress it up, I know you're doubting me, but like this is a skirt that's super long and it has a matching, like, you know, top. It's a set. But this looks so cute because this looks like a dress, which means I can wear this over a dress too. Phone died. I mean, not my phone, my camera died. But anyway, this is really cute, and I can wear this with some heels, and it just looks great. And we're here for this. Hashtag sexy as is. I'm gonna say that I don't even know how many times. All right, last piece. Y'all, this top is so flattering. Like, I am a huge fan of the square neck top. If you're old to my channel, then you know I'm obsessed with the 90s. This is such a 90s fit that I have on right now. Like, it's so cute. I'm so comfortable too. Like, I feel like I'm wearing like kind of like a workout top, but like it's so cute. And like it can be dressed up or down. Like right now I'm wearing it again with my good 90s jeans. This would be a look that I would wear like going to the grocery store, or I could even throw on a jacket and go to dinner. And if I really, really want to dress it up, one moment. Y'all, where am I going? Who is she? Who is she? Who is she? Y'all, come on. Come on. This is so cute. This is a look. Like, I could not do this with the Shein top I had because it doesn't look as sleek. Like, it will look good from far away, but even when you get close, like, it has that like very, like, it's not a shine, but it looks like it has like a glaze over it where it's not like a dull black. And then like how cool, like also the back. I mean, this is clearly my favorite piece. This is my favorite piece. Let me post for a thumbnail real quick because this is definitely where I'm going to be. This is the part of the video where I will say I'm gonna link Parallel Apparel down below. Not that they need any promo from me, but you know, why not? I was gonna say you could also shop them, but I don't even know if anything's still in stock because they sold out just like that. But definitely follow them on Instagram. After though, you follow me on Instagram because, you know, I'm trying with the weekly videos. And so thanks so much for watching this week's video. I'll see you next week. Bye.